Ezra, can you find me a place where I can build myself a home? Now, there is nothing as good, first things first, as having a home with proximity to the highway. So I am in Sobea, just opposite Jumba. That is our landmark. There is Jumba warehouse and there is also Sobea Center stopover. Those are our landmarks around here. And just 100 meters from the Nakuru Eldoret Highway, we have got these mini, gated community here, as it is said to be. And for now, there is a 50 by 100 parcel of land just about here where one can build their home. The price, very friendly. At just 1.3 million Kenya shillings, slightly negotiable, you get yourself a place you can settle with your family, or even maybe be renting it out, or maybe do a home on the side, and maybe small scale farming on the other hand. Perhaps maybe doing poultry farming, something of that sort. So this, looking at the entire establishment here, we have our main entrance from that end. Then I'm standing on the driveway. Then when I come like this, I have got the first parcel. That's not the one on sale. This one that is fenced with barbed wire. And then our parcel of land, which is on the market, is this one here. The second parcel of land. It is on the market, 1.3 million Kenya shillings, 50 by 100 for now. Well, the owner gave, somebody just to do some, some farming up, or they planted maize, just to look after the farm, you get that point, yeah? And even many people do that actually. So yeah, this is it. Our number is 0791055678. It has got a ready title deed, right? So we can always bring you here for viewing, a site visit every Saturday preferably. Just give us a call and then we'll bring you right here on site. Right? So when it comes to water at Sobea, the area is actually connected with piped water, which has passed on the main entrance road. From the highway straight ahead, there is a water line just touching this parcel of land. So you'll have water that way. And of course, I've seen electricity is just, nearby as well. And then looking around, there are some homes around here, some homes around, and a tranquil place. Sobea, very green, so homely. Yeah, it's a place that one can settle. So give us a call on 0791 055678 and convert this parcel of land to a home. Thank you very much, and see you in the next one. Now, for those ambao wameni reach out, Ezra nitafutie shamba ya bei nafuu. Ndo hii hapa, for 1.3 million Kenya shillings. Ndo hii hapa, bei nafuu, alafu unakuja, unatulia pale. Sindo hivyo, unajenga boma yako, unaweka paka DSQ pale, kona moja pale, unaweka nyumba ya kuku namna hiyo. Bas, alafu, that's it. And then proximity to town, very near from here to the highway, 100 meters only. Kutoka hapo to Nakuru CBD is just 20 minutes. And you're in town, or less, depending on how you drive. Sindio? Okay, so see you in the next one, folks.